What's up, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts. I'm gonna do a cash out on this video, InstaGC. The link to it will be in the description. Sign up for a free bonus. You see here at the top, I have $5.23. Every point is equivalent to a penny, so it's really 523 points. But like I said, I'm gonna do a cash out. I always cash out with direct deposit going straight into my bank. All my information is saved here, so I just click on redeem $5. And are you sure you want to make this redemption? Always click OK. I'm set, just like that. You see my balance goes down to 23 points now, so I got to get it back up. And let me show you what I do on this site in order to be able to cash out so often. So you see here the different things that they have. Surveys is probably always your best way to make the most money the fastest. They have Samplicious, they have your surveys, Theorem Reach, Tap Research, all the really good survey providers. My top 4 on this site would be Samplicious 1, Your Surveys 2, Tap Research 3, Theorem Reach 4. You know what I'm saying? You want to pay attention to those because those are your best money makers, especially Samplicious and Your Surveys. They always pay really good no matter what site you're on. You know what I'm saying? And InstaGC is no different from the other one. So you definitely want to pay attention to those. Going back over to the home page, they have lots of opportunities on here for you to get paid, just watching videos. You see here with this channel watcher, you can watch videos doing that. I think you'll get paid. You'll get 2 points for like every 15 videos that plays. Hideout TV, you'll get paid for every videos that plays. And so if you go up here to earn, you will see they have watch videos. All my videos for the day, what I usually have them doing is like running on the background when I'm doing surveys. So you see here, watch today 100. You can only watch 100 per day. If I try to, you'll click on show below, and the videos they'll play somewhere down here below. But like I said, you can only do 100 per day, and you see that's what I do pretty much every day. I'm on this website. And so while I'm doing my surveys, I just let my videos play and just get 100 points. Sometimes I get my surveys done quickly to the point where my 100 doesn't even play. So right here I got 83.99. I didn't finish my playlist for that day. I probably had to do, or when I got done with that survey, I just went to another site. But just another way for you just to make points with it. Every 20 videos that plays is a point. But like I said, you don't have to do anything with the playlist. Just let it below, let it run, and you can go on and do whatever. And every time you get 100 points, you get 100 video watches, you get 5 points. And it's like a bonus that will be added to it. This site offers bonuses weekly. So you see here, you see this pending thing. This one, your bonus will be actually credited to your account. All the money that you make throughout the week, they'll take a percentage of that and give it to you as a bonus. So that's really good. Just another way for you to continue to build up your money when they're giving you bonuses and promo codes and things like that. So I just wanted to show you that. Going back to the home page, other ways they have making money on here. Ad walls is a good one. Ad gate rewards is probably your ad gate rewards and offer Turo. When you're doing offers, those are 2 of the best ones because a lot of free offers in there. A lot of them are just, sign up, send us your email, and, you'll get points just for doing, the little things like that, little small tasks. They're completely free, so you don't need your debit card or your bank information, nothing like that. Easy ones to do. Minute Staff is a way that you can basically just get paid to click on ads, another easy one to do. So there's lots of different ways you can make money with this site. They have a chat box showing you what everybody's doing. You see a lot of people are cashing out here. People are getting Amazon gift cards. That's me right there. I got the direct deposit, PayPal, Xbox gift cards. Everybody's cashing out here. I mean, that's basically what it is. And they're showing you what they're doing. They're getting point boosters. These are like codes that you have to type in. You see here what the admin he'll do is offer you codes, bonus points for the first 6 users who use this code. And you see here those 6 users got it. They got 5 points. So that's why it's important to be on this site, so you're not missing opportunities to make even more money, because they give you lots of different ways, and the chat box is another one. So if you ever have a question, you can also go in the chat box, and one of the people, the members or the admin, he'll get back to you and answer it. And but it shows you a lot of proof to PayPal, Amazon, things like that. So you can definitely make money with this website. I highly encourage you to use it. I use it pretty much every day, sometimes twice a day, just doing surveys. So I'm able to cash out, 1 to 2 times per week on this site. All right, so that's what it is. That's what it's all about. Let me show you some of the different things you can get for cashing out. Like you saw, you can when you click on other rewards, that's how you basically can cash out with your PayPal, your bank information. But they have a gift card store and so many different gift cards you can choose from, so many different places. They have so many different pages. They put them in alphabetical order, so you're able to, you know, pick and find something that you want. There's definitely something on here. And the cash out minimum for everything is $1. All you need is $1 in order to cash out with this site. You'll see if you go over here to Amazon, because it's a popular one that everybody loves. If I go to Amazon and redeem, you see here $1 to 150. If I click on $1, all I need is 100 points in order to get it. So minimum of $1 to cash out with Amazon, and you know, so many other gift cards on here. They have PayPal. You can redeem straight to your bank account, whichever works for you. You'll definitely find something on here that you like. But you know, the first step is, you know, signing up with the website. Like I said, the link to it will be in the description. Sign up with the link, you'll get a bonus. Start making money with it. Start cashing out, you know, weekly, daily if you can. Just whenever you have spare time, get involved with this site. It's very easy to use, so much potential in it, and all you gotta do is get started for free. Start a free account. So in the description, get started today. Subscribe to my channel if you're new, so you can always find out new ways to make money online. And always remember, every penny counts.